Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious biscuits from scratch using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1/2 cup of very cold unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and 3/4 cup of cold milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, cut the cold butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. This step is crucial for flaky biscuits. Then, slowly pour in the cold milk, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as that can make your biscuits tough. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those perfect biscuits. Turn the shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat it down with your hands until it's about 1/2 inch thick. Avoid rolling with a pin, as patting keeps them tender. Now, use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to cut out your rounds. Press straight down without twisting for the best rise. Gather any scraps, gently pat them together, and cut out a few more delicious biscuits. Almost there. Arrange your cut biscuits on a baking sheet, leaving just a little space between each one. Pop them into a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown and wonderfully risen. Once out of the oven, let them cool for a moment. Serve these warm, fluffy biscuits with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or savory gravy. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.